I'm the Vice President of Finance at Top Hat, and I've been at Top Hat for about 6 years, and we're an education software company. And what we're trying to do is really change how educators and students interact with each other inside and outside the classroom. The professor can really tailor their message, tailor their teaching to meet the needs of the students. Most companies can't predict the future very well. We especially can't predict the future very well. We're growing 60 to 80% a year.
But as you grow and as you raise more financing, you grow people. So we went from 30, 40 people, and today we're 350 people in the span of 6, 7 years.
When we first met with Top Hat, they were growing so rapidly. Every time we found them a new space, almost without fail, they outgrew it weeks or at best months later.
Their biggest challenge was that their organization was being separated throughout a building as they continued to grow. They needed to find space that kept their people together while at the same time disposing of the space that they no longer needed.
We had people on different floors of the building, we had people on different sites across the city, and we were seeing a lot of impact on our ability to work collaboratively and align on the mission and vision of the company. And it became apparent that we needed to introduce new space as part of the solution.
Top Hat took exactly the right approach that we love to see our clients take. We found right away that we had a true partnership because our goals were aligned and our vision of how to achieve success was hand in hand.
It made us feel really comfortable that Cresa had a data-driven approach to evaluating where you should be looking for new space, but also to take emotion out of it and really maximize your probability for making a good decision. And really, that aligns very well with how we think about things at Top Hat.
This space was the fruit of many months of market research, but most importantly, research into Top Hat and understanding what it was that was going to best reflect them and their culture.
Cresa was the bridge between the landlord and us of what division we had and what they wanted.
We have, polished concrete floors, exposed ceilings. We have a staircase with a wide opening along Bloor Street there, letting in all this wonderful sunlight and, really giving a wow impression when people come in here.
They were willing to take the time to understand what their unique goals were and to effectively evaluate space on that criteria.
For us, it was all about our employees. And Cresa did a great job in holding us accountable to that. We had really frank conversations throughout the process about what met our needs and what didn't. And I think the best kind of proof of that is we've ended up in a space that the first time I saw it, I'd say never in a million years are we going to end up here. But here we are, and we're very happy with it.